Morning, guys. It's Wednesday today in Manila, and apparently Alex Abong, one of our mates in the UK, is already staying here for good. So he will be bringing me to Tagaytay. We're riding to Tagaytay, and unfortunately, he offered to lend his gravel bike to me. So that's the reason I didn't bring any more road bike or gravel bike. I just brought my folding bike. So this will be fun. This is my first time going to Tagaytay by riding. So I think 5:10 today, 5:10 now. So I'm just waiting for his call so I can go down. And naayos ko na yung mga gamit. And I'm just waiting for his call so I can come down and meet him. See you later. 6:01, it's already busy. Cyclists, there's no cycle lane, but they survive. I managed it yesterday as well.
So I made a U-turn. How are you?
Ayos, man. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. We just
Finally, man.
I saw you riding sa Inner Strava.
Oo, kasi sabi ko, warm up muna tayo para maano ko yung ride.
When are you returning to
22nd of March. Oo.
Is there baka may chance pa I might send something kasi si Avocado Cyclist nag-order ng jersey.
Ayun, Rainier, no?
Rainier. Oo, might send something.
Sige, pre, no problem.
Saan ba tayo? Two-wheel na.
Ikaw lang yun?
Ako lang.
Ayos. Ano lang, side lang?
Hindi na, ang dami kasi dami kasing clients, hindi ko na kaya
yun ang maganda. That's good, man.
Full time.
Full time ka na?
Full time na ako.
Wala ka na sa bank?
Wala na, I quit.
That's good, man.
Oo, sunog na ako sa
Sarili mo na.
Oo, sunog ako sa work. I was working, I would do weekends
Wow.
Kung weekends ka nagpa-bike fit, tapos Monday to Friday may work ka pa, 7 days a week ka na.
Kaya nga. Pero ang busy days mo, weekend?
I usually, weekends are back, but I would prefer to work weekdays so I can ride on weekends.
Long rides mo, no?
Kasi kung mag-bike fit pa rin ako weekends, hindi na ako makaka-bike. Importante kasi yung nagpa-bike tayo.
Exactly. Yun ang buhay.
Kamusta London?
Bro, Alex, mamimiss mo yung Dartford ride.
Babalik ako sa August, summer.
Ayos.
Mag-aaral ako ulit. Message ko kayo.
Sige, ayos.
Message ko kayo.
Ano aaralin mo naman?
Bike fit pa rin.
Bike fit.
Advanced classes.
Ilang weeks yun?
Mga 3 weeks. Pero na ka sa nasa Bristol ako niyan
Okay lang.
Classes. Pero the brand before
Alex,
people come in. Pero kasi parang advantage na ako kasi nag-aral.
Yun ang high-end mo
Tapos
UK pa.
UK. Tapos
Galing.
very high standards yung bike fitting.
Pag sumikat ka, pre, wag mo kalimutan
Siyempre, hopefully. Kung alam mo parang pag nagsa-start ka, like when I was starting last year, parang dami ring challenges kasi parang pag weekdays nung may work ako, okay lang. Kasi syempre, you get paid. Tapos, whatever I get na bike fits on weekends.
Ride na specialized, man. Baka ma-convert ako mamaya. Si Alex, pinatikim ako ng magandang bike.
Shoot pala. Ako kasi i-shoot talaga. 9:16 ako mag-shoot
Ito.
Diyan ka na. But ako, I just wanna...
To Allen. To Allen of Dartford. Ito na yung pre-Dartford training namin. Care of Alex.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Well. Kakausip pa lang natin, hill na kagad. What works? Alex Abong.
Let's go. So, ano tayo?
I'm happy.
we'll go, Kuya Emerson, I will go easy.
Alright.
And if you feel like you wanna push, let me know.
Oh, sige, yeah. Okay ako dun.
Pero talo ka na kagad sa akin sa rolling resistance because you have gravel.
Ayaw, sa bagay. It's nice, oh. It's 7 o'clock. Nice sunrise. Kaya pala ka mas okay kaysa...
Una ka para makuha kita.
Mas okay pala sa... east. Ganda. Woo! Ganda. Woohoo! Woohoo! Molino, Paliparan, going to Dasma. So climbing. Shout out to Cesar Cayetano and July Llamas. Kasama ko na si Alex. Mukhang may plano bumalik sa UK. Kaya handaan natin red carpet. Red carpet sa August. It's alright. Traffic seems to be alright. And you will get used to it anyway. Because in reality, they're slow. Moscow. Today. Tagaytay. Las Marinas na kami. Dasma.
Nadaan na yung sila. And then we go up Tagaytay. We go to Scuderia.
Scoteria. Sa Balay Tapo.
Yeah.
Agapitas. Sige. Ayos. Sounds like a plan. Green means that we're already in the countryside. Ganda. Uh, 20 kilometers and you're already in the provinces. But it's semi-urban, like semi-commercial now. Ang mga thunders.
Jet lag ka ba?
Medyo, konti-konti na lang.
So we have to
Sarap.
we have to cover jet lag, information.
Guys, if you're going to Philippines, tell Alex, very responsible to thunders. Magaling mag-adjust. Sarap.
Naalala ko dati yung kahit
Mabilis yun kasi tirador sa Regents Park yun eh. High intensity. Tala kaya tayo. Ilang proper. Push. Push, push, push. Diyan din siya nakatira, bro? Aguinaldo Highway at last. Rekta, Tagaytay. Hihi. Ilang Narcissus. Constant uphill from 2% to up to 7%. Whew. Probably around 6 kilometers left to Tagaytay. Batangas, Tagaytay City.
Almost there.
Yeah. Whew. Pinakamadaling route pa to, ha. Tagaytay. Whew. At last. First time to climb using a bike. One way from Alabang. Ooh, at last. We're heading to my friend's cafe, Scuteria. Ayan. Wala si Eugene nata eh. Taga-sukat yun. Ito.
Perfect.
Oo nga, Italian, no?
Yes.
Italian. Morning. Si Eugene, wala. Ganda ng bike, man. Para akong naka-road bike.
Dapat dalawa na factor ko para next time matry mo rin.
Wala si Eugene, man. Woo! Sa
May
ano?
parts na na may effort talaga.
Oo.
Pero as much as possible, I try to keep it mga
okay lang, no?
160 to 170.
Oo, 163 na yung BPM ko kanina eh.
Parang not too bad.
Oo.
Not too bad. And then
Ito,
may
may-
naman, may recovery bits naman eh.
Oo. Huge, nandito na ako sa shop mo, man. Sinerve na ako ng mga 3 princess mo. Ang pangalan mo, miss?
Jill po.
Jill. Ikaw?
Lane po.
Lynn, Jill, Lynn. At saka yung si miss Desiree. Jill, Lynn, Desiree. Ganda. Okay pala dito eh. Oh.
Logo. Pwede po kami bilis na.
Sir, salamat ulit. Balay dako. Oo.
Gusto mo dyan? Tara.
Ha?
View dyan, may view.
May view?
Natulak mo tayo bike. Sayang kasi sa rotonda pangit eh. Mas maganda dyan. Sabihin natin, tingin na tayo sa cafe.
Ah, okay. May bayad
Wala naman po.
sa cafe.
Abo, dito na po.
Eh, salamat. Ha? Ah, nandyan yung view. Pero steep.
Park na natin yung bike here.
Baka cloudy. Ayun. Sarap, no? Sana, ano eh. 4 o'clock tayo nag-start para may buffet, ma. Ayun, na. Open, ah. Walang smoke ngayon. Hindi smoky. Ganda. Hee.
Ganda.
Oh,
Wangit.
clear skies, man. No?
So, best talaga here to come on the weekend for the breakfast buffet.
Weekend. So, ano starts, Bo?
Pag-buffet po start tayo ng 7 a.m. po.
7 a.m. Kaya ang daming tao. Ah! Waiting for a brunch. It's already 9:45, which is actually, you know what? We started around 7 and then we arrived around 9 o'clock. 2 hours from Alabang. Ayan o, riders. Girly. So estimate is probably around 20 kph, kilometers per hour, with all the elevations, because it's constant elevation from start to finish, which is about, I was told by Alex, the route or the route that we took is the most modest one, not tough, because the gradient's probably around 7% max, and averaging probably around 4%. No, that's not bad, but constant, like 20 kilometer constant. Woo, sarap. Downhill is real. Kilometers. It's Lang Cavite now. Aha. We're near Kainan Blues. Eating time. Brunch at 10 o'clock. In fairness, this specialized gravel bike rides like a road bike, although it's 8.4 kilograms, but it's really nice. It's like a road bike. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Well-deserved brunch. Salamat, Alex. Oh dear. Nice.
Ano ata tayo? 90.
Yan o. Dito.
Probably have beef tapos. Pero alam mo yung favorite ko dito I always just order the grilled chicken kasi
Oh.
so good.
Chicken. Yan. Food for the cyclist. Ano yun? May potato wedge?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Try. Have some.
Sarap po. Longganisa. Cafe Agapita. Lagyan natin to si bike. Ayos, laki ah.
Nag-creak yung ano. Nag-creak
Kawayan.
yung kawayan. Okay, one more. Okay.
Thank you. Tayo.
Doon tayo pa-picture sa ano, sa labas na. Yung mandatory art.
Ayun na. Thank you, Alex.
Walang ano dito. Wala sa front desk. Pag-picture tayo ko. Padaanin na natin siya. Kabisado na yun yung kuya dito.
Matindi. Magandang hospitality.
Good? Or malayo, medyo?
Ayos, ganda, man.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
Salamat. Probably another 26 kilometers left to the return. Traffic here is not bad in the south, but when you reach Manila, Metro Manila, oh, it's terrible. Super busy, but you will get used to it. Resilience is real. Las Marinas now.
Mag-ride tayo.
Oo.
And then mamaya, may katawiran tayo going left.
Okay.
Tapos sulakbayan natin ulit kanina yung mahabang street.
Oo.
Pero palusong na tayo.
Palusong na.
Hindi kasi ako pwede mag-higher than 42, 43 kasi spin out ka na dyan eh.
Ah,
Parang,
okay. Heading to Carmona. Hindi ka pagbigyan. Pero so far oh, wala tayo na-encounter na ano, palasubas na, apart from yung kanina, yung mga hindi nagsasign.
tapos mas okay. Ayos na gulo. Ayaw ko mag-ride na sa
Oo, maraming ano, mga bike unfriendly. Magulo nga eh. Lalo dun sa roundabout.
Marcos Highway, sa roundabout. Ay, usually ano eh. Gusto na yung rota pa uwi eh.
Ah.
Gusto na lang yung rota.
Ano, subdivision?
Oo. Hindi ko alam anong sinong developer to eh, but this is residential.
Nice. Maraming puno. Okay, when you see like this, you are near Metro Manila. So we're back. Bacoor, Las Marinas, ewan, saan tayo? Or one is fighting lanes with a lot of users, tricycles, motorbikes. Oh, ayaw nga no. So in Dahanghari, residential. Residential area. Oh, there me. Init. Yeah, boy. I love that. Detour. Okay, last climb. Finally, we're here. Car park. Ha? Gulong? Oh dear me, that's really good. The only thing that bothers me most is the pace is alright, but the temperature. The temperature on a fast pace. Ooh. Oo nga. Entrance. There's another downhill. Woohoo! Downhill. Oh shit. Panalo. Ganda ng pace. Pero nawawasak ako sa init.
Paano mabilisin tayo pa uwi?
Oo.
Tinira ko na yung
Thank you, pre. Ayos ah. So, mountain bike, tatlo gamit mo, tatlong discipline.
yeah.
Baka mamaya dadagdag ka, TT bike na. Factor, Ostro. Ano yung wheel set mo, bro?
Pedals, andyan. Ayun.
Wheel set mo?
How will set? Ano yun? Craftworks.
Craftworks? Yummy.